Hi everyone, I'm Aina from 솜씨네TV. Last week I got some wooden planks from a friend. So I'm going to make a welcome board with these. The surface of the plank is rough. Sand them smoothly. Connect the planks with the paint sticks. Measure the length with a ruler and cut with a saw or knife. Fix it in two places at the top and bottom with nails. You can see my blue hair a little. That's why my son drew my profile picture with blue hair. This is wood, so you can paint any paint you want. I put a lot of water in the acrylic paint to make it feel stained. At first, I was thinking right only the letters, but I changed my mind to draw flowers. The painting is only white and yellow. I tried to draw a large daisy. Paint the center parts in yellow. Should draw a flower a little bigger. If you ruined it, you can draw again. Now I'm drawing the petals, but if you to be sure, draw them with a pencil first. Paint the petals with white paint. Oops! I made a mistake. But don't worry, I can fix it. I'm going to write the welcome, but it takes a lot of time to write it well with a ruler, so I'll just write it. Then I screwed up. I need to fix it again. Next time, I'll use a ruler to write well. I didn't write well, but I'm trying to complete it. I have a ribbon, so I put it on top. I think it would be prettier if I put flowers on the letter O. I tied the lower parts with a string. I put it on the wall, but I'm not satisfied. So I decided to change the ribbon. Is it a little better? Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.